So yeah, to give a bit of context, all the five developers here started a month ago to work on a new version of the Chrome extension for Intuition. So the idea of the call today is to demo what they have done. There is already some cool stuff implemented into it. So we'll do a walkthrough over like all the feature and the work they have done. And then the idea is that everyone you can give ideas or share feedback, and we'll also walk you through how to get it and install it if you want to give it a try. Okay, so this is the first screen of the extension. There is actually two ways to consume it. So either you can have it on the pop-up when you click on top, and then here Alex click on open button, which allows the Chrome extension to be pinned as a side panel. So the idea of the guys here was to use it really as a companion where you're exploring the web. You can let it open that way if you want. And now the extension is going to load every information, every claim made on Intuition toward the website you are consulting. So now we see information about MetaMask and the list of claims which have been made toward MetaMask. Okay, scroll a bit down. So from here you can see like the almost the last one that Alex, in her case, made a claim against the fact that MetaMask is a stablecoin. So you can see your own position towards the claim or not. And can you try to do a positive claim for one? Maybe the one on top we can see MetaMask as tab. No, Web3 analytics, not really. Go on top of the list. Yeah, MetaMask created by Consensus. You already voted for this one. Right, MetaMask has tab Web3 developer tools. So yeah, you can click on a bot for this one. So here it's opening your MetaMask and you can deposit on it. Okay, and now we can see she have a position on this claim. So
that's so cool.
Yep. And so this page, it's an aggregate of all the claim towards all the atom of a singular page. Alex, if you scroll on the top, we can see now we are into the claims one, but there is another tab which is atoms, because for one particular page we can have like various competing definition of an atom. So here it's various definition which on all the atom, all the identity for MetaMask include this link, metamask.io. And what's presented on the claim page is just an aggregate of all the claim which are talking about one of those. So here we can see the detail. For example, this definition of MetaMask, there is 1,500 position on this claim. So that's using one of the definition of MetaMask, one entity of MetaMask. But yeah, from here you can see all the definition. Okay, maybe you can show that if you switch to another page, the context gonna also switch. If you go to the intuition system page. Okay. So yeah, here we can see there is two atoms created for intuition, and there is one claim. Okay. Yeah, just a cool animation they put on the background. It's not really now. It's not related to the intuition graph. It's just some visual stuff. But definitely, the idea is to embed a real knowledge graph into the extension and use it to navigate through all the knowledge. Okay, maybe you can showcase how to use the extension. For example, if you are reading an article about something you like and you want to pin it and signal it to your community. But let's say we are reading through this article, which is the last one from Billy, talking about the future of AI and how standardization is coming forward. So yeah, here we can see from the page that there is no atom created yet, neither any claim. So now, Alex, you can you can create a claim. And seeing the guys thought about this, I think it's pretty smart. Is that if you want to create a claim when you are on the page, you could be interesting by tagging a specific URL, for example, this specific article, or maybe you're interesting to just tag the domain. If you are in this article, maybe you want to say something about only medium.com. So that way you can quickly choose to pre-fill the information the way you want. In our case, we want to make atoms and claim about this particular article. So yeah, it's gonna pre-fill the information with the name. Yeah, maybe you can clean it a bit, the description, the URL, and then you can create the atom when you're ready. Okay, so yeah, the atom was created. You want to showcase how to create a claim now? So yeah, you can switch now from claim option, and now you can search. So this is the article created. Maybe put hashtag. We should have something maybe like intuition article. I don't know if it's already something which does exist. Let's see. Intuition on Medium. One is kind of cool. And same way, if you want to add various claims, all at the same time, you can press add, and then just do another one. Yeah.
So first we submit.
Yep. Yeah, CB Crypto. This is live. We're gonna showcase to you after how to get the extension and how to play with it if you want. That would be actually super good if you can do it, because it's still pretty early into the development, so there is many things to rework or to improve. So yeah. Okay, triple submitted. I think we still have a bug on this part, meaning like the triple is created, but it's not depositing automatically on it. So for now, if you want to do that, you can go to the portal. Can you go to the portal and just put a small stake on it? So on your last activity. Hey, Billy.
Hey, it's looking awesome.
Nice. Yeah, your activity. Okay, I think the claim didn't went through. Must have something to fix here. But yeah, that's also the good thing about being connected to the intuition graph. At the end of the day, like the Chrome extension is just one way to interact with it, but you can do it on the Launchpad or in the portal, no matter what you prefer. Just another way to consume and interact with intuition. Okay. Maybe we can go to the search bar. Okay, so here on the search bar, you can search for claims or atoms. Let's say if you put graph, you have something for graph. Okay. So here we get information about the graph and every claim which include graph something into it. But you can also, if you are searching for a particular user, yeah, tag. Yeah, organization is not working yet, I think. Maybe the tag is working. Yeah. Okay. Okay. But yeah, that's for the search bar. Now you can maybe showcase like the third one, the profile. So this is where you manage information for your own profile. When you will get there, you won't be connected. So you will need to click the connect wallet. For now, it's just only a connection through MetaMask. We don't provide any other wallet provider. But from here, you can find similar information that you find on the portal, the claim you created, or the one you have position on. And you can also see the identity you created and the follower you have. Okay, so that's the tree identity you created. And yeah, now you are just following me. Okay. But yeah, the whole idea with that, to integrate like the follower and the following, is that you can get your personal feed directly into the Chrome extension, depending on who you choose to follow. So that's the fourth tab. It's your personal feed. The feed of her follower, now it's only me, so it's like present like the three last claim I made. But if she start to follow Billy on Intuition, and she can make it from the portal, for example, it's gonna pop up directly here. Okay, and yeah, the last tab is not done yet. The idea is to like just a live feed where you won't need to refresh the page. It's gonna be in real time. You can see like different claims popping there. Okay, maybe you can showcase the dark and white team also. Yeah, depending on your preferences, you can just click this button to choose between black and white. Long dark team. Yeah, I agree. Oh, there is something else we didn't showcase yet. If you can go to a list of claim, doesn't matter which, we can click into an atom to get more detail about this one. Can you like it, CVC? Okay, I think that's pretty much it for the demo. You don't have, Alex, the loading indicator on the side, the quick opener.
Which one? Sorry.
The quick opener, the Intuition logo, which float on.
I'm not getting you.
Okay, well, I can showcase this maybe after. Okay, right. Maybe we can showcase now how to get and install the extension, if anyone want to try it.
Yeah, sure. Sounds good. Is this only for Chrome, Google Chrome, right?
Yeah, for now we only made a release for Google Chrome, but if someone doesn't want to use Chrome and want to have a version for Firefox, it will be quite easy for us to make a version for Firefox as well. Okay. Gonna share my screen to showcase how to get it. Okay, so it's from the GitHub of THP Lab. The project is called Intuition Chrome Extension Plasmo. Plasmo is kind of framework we're using to make the Chrome extension, and here we added release. So
can you copy paste the address?
Yeah,
please?
exactly. That's what I'm gonna do.
Thanks.
There.
Awesome.
And then from here, you can download the zip file. And once you get that, go to your download folder, and you will need to extract what's inside the zip. Okay, and then you need to go into Chrome extension. And here's the most important thing in order to be able to test it, because it's not a released version on the Chrome extension store. You need to activate here on the top right developer mode. And once you do that, you can have this button, which allow you to load and package application. So here I'm going.
Just for the record, some people are getting a 404 not found error by clicking the link on the GitHub, like I do or Billy does.
Getting the same.
So we're gonna investigate that, but just follow. If you need, you just have to rewatch the replay and follow the instructions, and we're gonna try to fix it soon. But right now, some people get not found.
Okay. Yep, indeed. If I'm not connected with GitHub, I can't download it. Okay, it's maybe like oh, it's public. Okay, we need to check for the permission on it. Sorry about that. Okay, so once you have activated the developer mode, you can click up. You can click here on load unpackage application, and there you will see like the file you just unzipped. Go inside, and you'll need to click to this one, the Chrome MV3 dev. And yeah, from that time, you get the Chrome extension installed. If you want to access it quicker, you can choose to pin it from here. And when it's done, you will have access to it. Yeah, Jerry, not fun. Sorry about that. That's on our side. Not sure why I can download it and you can't. No. It's gonna be fixed soon. Okay, one last feature we didn't showcase. It's not quite ready yet, but is the fact that we can have an intuition button injected in every page you navigate to give you like a quick indicator if that there is already something created on intuition here. So our idea with that would be like you go to a page or an article, it's loading a bit, and then when it's done, it's give you a confirmation of hey, I already have something or I have nothing. You can click on it, and it's gonna open the extension and allow you to make claim towards it. Okay, that's pretty much it for the demo. Maybe I can, for now, just put the extension on Google Drive or something. Just put the zip file into a drive. You can check if you can get it that way. I'm curious to know from the audience if some of you have from the feature we showcase some ideas on how to improve it, add some features, what you would like to see maybe into another iteration of this extension. I might have a good one. Yeah, maybe already proposed triple, depending on the page you are. So are you thinking about tags to categorize what we have, or extract directly content from within the page?
So yeah, AI powered triple suggestion. That's why you're suggesting as a feature. That would be great, actually.
Yeah. Actually, maybe we can invite Thibaut on the stage here, because he did a small experiment on that side as well.
Who?
Thibaut.
Let me see. Here.
Hey, hello guys.
DM.
Hello.
GM. And yeah, I was thinking about that because when I did the recommendation AI assistant, the last presentation of the THP, I was thinking about the MK Ultra ID to use the same system with AI assistant to decrypt the content of the page and to extract triple directly, and then you have to choose with the extension what you want to add or not. I think it's possible. I don't know if you already think about that, Zed, but I was thinking during the demo that I think it's possible.
Yeah, definitely. For now, like the experiment you had was to allow the user to just write text and opinion analysis if it was like just a review on something, and then it was just extracting like a batch of triples toward it. So yeah, I think like embedding this feature directly on the Chrome extension will make a lot of sense, because not all users will want to really think about the triples composition they want to make. They'll just want to say stuff about things.
So the idea is to take the AI recommendation assistant I made and to add it into Chrome extension, and to this recommendation assistant to add the possibility to check the content of the page and to turn into triple.
Yeah, I just posted a video in the chat. We've done a little bit of work on that. You guys can probably leverage. Simon probably knows where it is. But yeah, he was. We have this like mobile app in the works, or like a native mobile app where you can just kind of share whatever you're viewing with the app, and then it will like use AI to extract the relevant triples. But I think it's a good call out generally, kind of like what's being talked about in the chat of like the more we can abstract. I'd love to get to the point where people don't even. I mean, it's a delicate balance between showing people the atoms and the triples and not showing them the atoms and the triples. I think like for developers it's super useful just so you understand the underlying data structure, but for most things maybe it's like, you know, instead of showing a triple you show like, I don't know, maybe some way to abstract it away. And I think the easiest example in my mind is something like comments. So maybe there's just like a comment feature for the whole web, and you don't know what's happening behind the scenes. You're just like add comment or see comments, and it feels like Reddit, and you can like upvote and downvote comments or something like that. I feel like there's a lot there to unpack, but just some thoughts.
In order to improve the user utilization. Okay. Interesting.
And what you can do there is like, if you have like a if you have a predicate that's just like has comment, then you can just like do a query for like, okay, like give me the results where the subject is this thing that I'm viewing and the predicate is has comment, and then you can like render all the comments or something.
Okay.
That memes would be great.
We definitely need more of those
Yeah.
incoming. Stay tuned.
I think one other thing we could also improve on this extension is a way to quickly put a tag on things. Like the social element of it, like in my opinion, will be really important. But just for someone to organize all the bookmark we have, just the fact that you can add like various tags to just one single thing, and then search from a tag instead of having it only in hierarchical folders. I think it make navigation way more easier just for our own stuff, without talking about like the social aspect of it all.
I totally agree. Like that's that's kind of like mainly what I use Intuition for myself right now, is like instead of bookmarks and like anything I find, it's like without Intuition I actually don't put it anywhere. But like with Intuition it's just like, oh yeah, like let me tag this with AI tooling and design and some other thing, and then it just like helps me find stuff later. So I really like the tagging idea.
Yeah, I think the more connection you make, the easier it is to find back stuff.
Totally. Yep. And then the nice part is like anyone can build any UI for those bookmarks or that data generally. So like if you don't want to use the browser extension UI or your bookmark UI to find like the things you've saved, you can go to the portal, or you can go to anything. I just feel like that's so powerful.
Definitely. Fame Junior, I shared a link on the top of a Google Drive. You should be able to get the extension from here.
Are you Zed or the hacking project still working on this? And do you have, if you have any like upcoming features or any updates incoming? Except the one you said.
Yeah, we were thinking about like other development coming next. One of the bigger one would be like to onboard the graph visualization into it.
Agent?
I think that would be like the graph visualization.
Oh.
Yeah. Just gonna showcase it. Here, some other student of THP did this product where you can see the knowledge graph of intuition and jump from one thing to the other. I'll go on base. I want to focus on base. Now you see all the things related to base. And yeah, our plan was to do an improvement of this product so we can more easily embed it into the extension and also use it to as a way to navigate and discover stuff. Maybe you are checking the article, the last article of Billy. You liked it, you see it on the graph that it's associated with intuition articles, and from there you can see like all the other articles talking about intuition, and you can navigate from here, and it's gonna open directly into your browser. So it will be like a two-way of interacting with intuition on your browser. Also another project which is into the making is organizational values. A lot of you have so probably like the Ethereum value experiment from Consensus and Intuition, where the community can define the different value of Ethereum. We think it can be the case for any organization. So we just like fork this project and make it so any organization can reuse that. And that's what we want to use for our school as well, to let all the students of the school to define what they think at the value of the school. It's a simple but really cool project, I think.
Another thing that we've been thinking about is like, I think that general flow that the value stuff has and that the Launchpad has of just kind of like asking people questions, letting people propose new entries to the registry. I think it could be really good for like feature requests or ideas or like new projects to do. Like we've been meaning to do that ourselves, where it's like instead of us coming up with what we build next, it's like the community voting on what we build next. So I feel like it's not that far of a leap from kind of the UI that we already have for some of these things. So I think that could be super cool too.
Yeah, definitely. I was thinking about that as well. Like just what you already have on the Launchpad could be used for that. Like just a Philip board and every community member could vote for what they prefer. That's very nice.
Totally. Also something we've been meaning to do for a long time. I don't know when we'll ever get around to it, but like I feel like that's also not a far leap to a forum and having the forums like upvotes, downvotes, comments all be on Intuition. I feel like that'd be awesome too.
Oh, like a discourse where you can see like different.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Oh, love that.
And isn't Discourse is open source, right? I feel like we just
Yeah,
extend
it is.
it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's super good because there is so many decentralized organization using Discourse. If we can integrate Intuition with it, at the end of the day, like the day you will spend like to review others' idea on Discord and upvote stuff will be part of your own reputation. Someone like spend like just days to review the ideas. It's part of who they
Yeah.
are, and they can leverage that for so many use cases.
Wow, that's actually super cool. And also you could bring your social graph with you to every forum and like filter for stuff that like people you trust have posted. That would be so cool.
Yeah. Or even if you, for example, I'm following you, Billy, and I'm not right now, like, I don't know if you're active on some various forum or Discord. I have no way to know
Yeah.
that. But then if
Wow.
I'm following you and you're participating to various Discord, I can just ask the intuition graph to give me that data. I know that you are part of this DAO and have this idea about that, and
That's so
that's
good. I love that so much. That's huge.
yeah. There is so many things like in which
So
intuition can
many.
change your way. Yeah, it's
Schweikos had a good call out, leaving feedback on Chrome extension or Intuition extension about Intuition extension.
yeah.
Or Intuition in general.
Well, I'm sorry.
Well,
guys,
maybe
I
now
have
we
to
can
go.
just okay. Thanks for joining. See you later.
Sorry, just once again, great job for the guys. Great work for the team. Congrats. And bye bye.
Thanks for participating and coming.
Yeah, this is so awesome, guys. I love it so much.
Does anyone have any final questions before we wrap it up?
I just created a forum in Discord. If you want to leave the feedback there now or later, it's gonna be easier for us to review it if we have extensive feedback, and like now we have like one place to check it.
Just to wrap it up, I just want to say congratulations to the dev team because I'm also part of it, kinda, but I haven't been working on it for the last week because I was busy doing something else. And I saw the what they did in like let's say 1.5 week, and it was great. They did a really great job, and I just wanted to say congratulations to them.
Nice.
you.
It's true that the improvement have been like really.
Yeah,
speeding up.
the improvement
Last time.
in such a short time is like huge. You can't realize it because you haven't seen the progress, but it's huge.
All right. I think we can wrap it up if we don't have any more question.
Yeah, I think that's great. Thanks a lot for hosting this. This was really awesome and nice to see like what you've been building like in such a